to the soundtrack of your life, where every song tells a story. Trust me when I say that. I'm Ernest Pillay, by the way, with you until 4 o'clock this afternoon, raring to go. Raring to enrich your soul the only way I know how, right? I've taken my time, as I always do, to treat you with respect, the respect you deserve. The music is meticulously curated for nothing else but your soothing pleasure on a Sunday afternoon. It's music for the matured soul that you are, right? So sit back, relax, go on doing what you do on a Sunday afternoon. One thing for sure, we have a special appointment, without a doubt, till 4 o'clock this afternoon. Welcome to it. Weather-wise, I woke up this morning, there was rain, most welcome. And it was all gloomy and cloudy, and the next minute it was all sunny. You know what they say when they say someone is changes like the weather? That's exactly what it is.